Things only get more ridiculous and over the top from there, as the series eventually followed Sugoro's equally cowardly son, Kid Muscle. Number 4, Tiger and Bunny.
Are you crazy? It's a basic rule. A hero's secret identity has to remain a secret.
Francis.
Times are changing, old man. You better keep up.
For a good buddy cop superhero story, this is a great success to check out, following the titular characters, a veteran hero and a rookie hero, as they
Yes,
compete on a
it's time for the
superhero
Sesame to
show
appear.
that follows their crime-fighting exploits and dishes out points for stopping villains
Hey,
and
what's up?
saving civilians.
Teal family, man. Owen Teal, what's up?
These heroes are also sponsored by various real-world companies.
Okay. Today, the reason why we're doing this Insta Live is again to unbox my new purchase. This thing over here, right here. Right. So this is my pair of Yeezy 350 version 2 Sesame, the new colorway from Yeezy. As you can see from this box over here, we're gonna unbox it right now. Alright, so hey, what's up everybody? What's up Yampin? Hi Tommy Wish, what's up? Hi everybody. Hey girlfriend, relax. Okay, I'm gonna open it right now. Backstory, I got this from Sneaker and Stuff Sweden. Thank you again Sneaker and Stuff for hooking me up. We're gonna go open this up, have a look at it. My size is a 10.5, so as you can see I got a 10.5 right here. Took about 3 days for it to arrive. So I'm gonna open it up right now. As you can see, ooh la la. Okay, first we have a thank you for shopping with Sneakerla. Sorry, not Sneakerla, Sneaker and Stuff. Haha. Thank you for shopping with Sneaker and Stuff. They're pretty legit. It's pretty easy to get a raffle from them, to win a raffle from them. I already won like about 2 shoes from them. So if you're ever wanting to get a pair of hype shoes, just check my friend out, Sneaker and Stuff. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Boom. Yeezy Boost 350 collab with my good friend Kanye and Adidas. As you can see, 350 Boost. Beautiful box. The size that I have is US 11. So it's a UK 10.5. My size. Thank God it is in my size. The box looks fantastic. A bit crooked. I don't know. I think maybe the people at the custom open it up to check and whatnot or whatever. We're gonna open it right now. Ooh. Oh my god. As you can see, the wrapping paper over here. Oh, guys. Hi Farah. Hi Farah. Hi both Farahs. Hi. Oh my god, guys. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Woohoo! Oh my god. Beautiful pair of Sesame Yeezy right here in my head. Ooh. Hello. Let me call the hype police. I'm here. Oh my god. Tag's still there. You can see. Tag's still there. My size. Got it from Sneaker and Stuff again. So that's pair 1. Hi Mas, hello. Khabar, dah lama tak jumpa. Baru balik dari ni ke, New Zealand. Second pair. So, as you can see, they are beauty right there. Insole's definitely in there as well. Adidas Yeezy, as you can see. If you can see, yeah, Adidas Yeezy insole. Size tag is inside right there. Stitching, as you can see, is perfect. Really love the stitching on the shoe. You can see the old design. There's a supply 350. Supply means SPLY means supply 350 boost. There used to be one over there for the older versions. Now for V2, you don't get anything like that. It's a pretty fresh colorway, and I really like it. As you can see. Woo, beauty. Bukanlah Mas. Ni Sesame, Yeezy, Kanye West. Salah tu. Kan dia tak reti lah. Aduh, Farah, tell your friend please. Cakap emas sikit ni. As you can see, this pair of shoe over here cost about $9.90 for retail, and I'm gonna try and see whether I can maybe sell it off. If not, I'm gonna just rock it, man, because honestly speaking, these shoes looks so nice. Wear it. I might wear it soon. I'm gonna take a picture in this beautiful thing right here. Smells really nice as well. Pair of Yeezys. Honestly speaking, this is like the second Yeezy that I got. I really like the zebra, the one that I got previously. Unfortunately, I sold it off already. So hopefully this one, if we can sell it off, it'll be great. But if not, hey, this looks beautiful, man. I'm gonna rock it. I can rock it. Woo. So happy I got it. It's not just knitted, Mas, it's boost. If you don't know what boost is this white color cushioning over here, the sole of the shoe. It keeps the shoe very bouncy and it's very comfortable. I tried it on before. It's very comfortable, boost. So this is a really nice thing to have for Adidas. Semua nak suruh pakai je. Aduh, pakai tak boleh lah. Pakai kena relax sikit. Well, if we can get a few more views, then maybe I will wear. But if not, it's just gonna be there. I'm gonna display it real quick. Cik, konon kan. Make the shoe look beautiful. Right there. Whew. Look at that. What's up, Sean? Hey, Xiao Ying, what's up? Hey, Alvin just joined, what's up? Give out free? Nah, I can't give out free, man. This is not, I can't give this out for free. You kidding me, Sean? No way. Where to gym? Oh, wait, no. Yo, guys. You want me to give away? You want me to wear it to the gym? You know that's not possible, right? It's crazy. This is like for going out for a date with Mabel. You know, spend some time with my love, show her my shoes. Most probably she'll be really pissed, honestly speaking. But we'll see. We'll see. Not gonna wear it yet, because like I mentioned, we're gonna try and sell this thing. And if we cannot, maybe by December, I'm gonna wear it, man. By December, this thing is mine. I'm your love to know when you're not my love. Please, you are never my love. One bad thing though about buying from overseas is this custom over here. Damn it. Ooh. They charged me an extra about 120 plus ringgit just for custom. Holy shit. That's not doable, man. If you want to be smart, if you're gonna sell it or whatever, you definitely need to buy a local pair from Malaysia. Easier to get. Maybe, I don't know. But definitely buy from Malaysia. Try not to buy from outside Malaysia. But if you really love the shoe, get it. Get it from Sneaker and Stuff. Sneaker and Stuff. The next thing coming out, if you notice, there's a off-white Zoom Fly coming out real soon, 28th of November, in a few days. Do try and get it, because that's gonna be the next shoe. Hopefully. We'll see. Why y'all beating on my comments page right there? No way. 500 plus Limau Ice. Cyber Monday sale. Guys, this is not a sales Insta live, okay? Please. Nah. No deal. Come on, no deal. I'm gonna keep this back in the box. You guys are too free. Where you get your slang from? This is my slang. Okay, I normally speak this way. Berapa you bought this again? This one, if you buy it from Malaysia, retail is 990 ringgit. Okay, but if you want to resell, you want to sell it out, then you definitely can sell it for a bit more than 990. Okay, say bye-bye shoes. It's going back into the box. Bye shoe, bye guys. It's going back into the box. Thank you again for watching, guys. Seriously, this is the first time, not first time, this is like the don't know how many time I actually bought something, but you always request for Insta Story instead of Insta Live. So I decided, hey, why not do Insta Live this time? Thank you again for all the views, for watching me unboxing this Yeezy 350 Boost version 2, the Sesame. Hope you all have a great evening ahead. And yeah, please take care, have fun, eat your dinner, and get to bed early. Yes, mask 990, but I got it for a bit more because this is from Sweden. Sneaker and Stuff Sweden, so it's a bit more than 990. Okay guys, that's it. Bye. See y'all soon, I suppose. Bye everybody.